Hello and welcome to the Secure Analytics Detections Demo Series presented by the Secure Analytics Technical Marketing Engineering team. Today we're going to take a look at the Azure Activity Log Watchlist Hit Alert. The Azure Activity Log Watchlist Hit Alert uses a user-supplied watch list to monitor for suspicious activity. We use the Azure Unusual Activity Observation to go through and identify and notify you of this activity. This alert does require Azure Activity Logs, so make sure that those are enabled. We don't have any form of a baseline history requirement, so as soon as we see this activity, the alert will fire. For the remediation next steps, you're going to want to go through and verify that the watch list entry is correct. Make sure you reference the Azure Unusual Activity Observations to help determine if the behavior was intended, maybe it was just simply a mistake, or if it is in fact malicious activity. You'll want to go through and remediate that activity if it is malicious, and make sure you review your Azure security settings to prevent it from happening again. Let's take a look at the actual attack that would occur to fire this alert. We're logged into our Secure Cloud Analytics portal, and we're going to go up to Settings and then select Alerts. From the submenu, we're going to go over to Alerts and Watch Lists, and then we're going to select Azure Activity Log Watch List. Now, at the top of the watch list, we do provide you with a link to Microsoft to view all of the available operations, or you can just click on New Watch List Item, and under the Operation field, we will start to auto-complete those for you. We're going to fill in the operation. In this case, we're going to select Microsoft.compute/disks/delete, and we're going to create the new watch list item. This will notify us when any disks in our Azure environment are deleted. Now we're going to navigate to our Azure portal, and at the top under Azure Services, we're going to select Disks. We have an example disk here. We're going to click on that. We're going to go up and we're going to delete our example disk and confirm yes. So we have now successfully deleted a disk in our Azure environment. Next, let's take a look at the detection details when the alert fires. We're drilling into our open alerts, and at the top of the list, you will see the Azure Activity Log Watch List hit. We're going to click on that alert. And we have our alert type details with our description, our remediation next steps, our mapping to the MITRE ATT&CK framework, the alert rule details with our timestamps, and our supporting observations. In this case, it's the Azure Unusual Activity Observation. And here you can see we have our disks delete for example disk. In the alert details, we saw that this alert is mapped to the MITRE ATT&CK framework. We map greater than 90% of our alerts to the very popular MITRE ATT&CK framework. Let's take a look at the details for this alert. This alert is mapped to the persistence tactic category in the event-triggered execution technique. In our attack demo, we were specifically monitoring for a deleted disk. However, there are literally hundreds of different operations you can monitor for in an Azure environment. Therefore, we map the triggering of the event from Azure to the event-triggered execution technique. Thank you for attending today's Secure Analytics Detections demo. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good day.